A historic moment in our nation's capital today. The Senate confirmed Judge Ketanji Brown Jackson to the Supreme Court. She will be the first black female justice when sworn in later this year. Eyewitness News anchor Siafa Lewis joins us now with a look at what this moment means to generations of black women. Siafa.
Good evening, Yuki. To find out, I spoke to Dr. Donna Patterson. She is a professor at Delaware State University, where she's also chair of the Department of History, Political Science, and Philosophy. We spoke about Judge Brown Jackson's confirmation, what it means, and how she feels about witnessing U.S. history.
I was very happy to see this come to fruition, both as someone who is chair of the Department of History, Political Science, and Philosophy, because definitely the history and the politics cover this, but also as a black woman.
Dr. Patterson shared that it's not about identity politics, as some would call it. It's about kids growing up and seeing an accomplished adult who looks like they do, having someone they can look up to, and a vocation or career they themselves can strive for. She added this.
I'm looking at it more in terms of representation. Yes, she will bring some of her background to the case, but everyone else who sits on the Supreme Court has also brought their background to the case.
Nomination is confirmed.
I asked why skin color or gender matter, assuming that most qualified judicial candidates would surely be impartial.
If a justice remains objective, I don't think it matters what their race or gender is. And I think we have to look at it historically. Was everyone objective? We hope that they were. And we hope that they will be.
And in addition to being the first black woman on the court, Judge Brown Jackson will buck another trend. Most Supreme Court justices have been prosecutors. They charge people with crimes. She will be the first judge on the court who served as a federal public defender.
Diverse perspectives are always important. It doesn't matter if you agree with them or not.
And I wanted to know what this moment says about America in the year 2022.
It's a moment of hope. But it also gives me this feeling of there's so much more that we need to strive for and reach for.
Something else Dr. Patterson noted today, Vice President Kamala Harris, also a lawyer and trailblazer in her own right, as the first female and first black vice president in this country's history, was the one presiding over today's vote and affirmed Judge Brown Jackson's confirmation as the next Supreme Court justice. In the newsroom, Siafa Lewis, CBS 3 Eyewitness News.